In this video, I will show you how to recover a corrupted SQL database using Stellar Repair for MS SQL. So here we can see that I have this database which is not accessible. And when I run this query, we obtain this error. First, we need to download and install Stellar Repair for MS SQL. So let's go to the browser, and here let's write Stellar Repair for MS SQL. Then let's click on this link. And here we can download and install Stellar Repair for MS SQL. We can also use the online tool. So here we can write Stellar Repair for MS SQL online. Then let's click on this link. And here we can use the online tool to repair the SQL database. But in my case, I will use the desktop application. Then let's run Stellar Repair for MS SQL. Then select Database. Then Browse. And we need to go to the folder that contains the different databases. So let's click on this PC, then the C drive, then Program Files, then Microsoft SQL Server. Then let's open this folder, then this one, then we have the data folder. Then let's select the corrupted database. Then repair. Let's select the first option, then OK. And we obtain this error because the database is already used by SQL Server. So let's open the command prompt. Then here let's type services.msc. Let's scroll down, then let's select SQL Server and let's stop it. Let's go back to Stellar Repair, then OK. Let's select the database again, then repair, then OK. And here we can see that the database is repaired successfully. So now we need to click on the Save button to save the database. So let's click on OK, then Save. Let's select New Database, so we will create a new database. Then Next. Let's provide the server name and the instance name. And let's save the database in the default folder of SQL Server. Then let's click on Next, then Save. So we obtained this error because we stopped the SQL Server. So let's go back to the services.msc and let's run the SQL Server again. Let's click on Save again, then Next. Let's provide the server name, then Next, then Save. And you can see that the database is saved successfully. Let's click on OK. And let's go back to SSMS. So now let's refresh the connection. So we need to select the databases. Then let's refresh the connection. So let's scroll down and you can see that we have this new database.